Are you curious about the significance of the manufacturing industry? Today, I'll be sharing with you 7 reasons why manufacturing is extremely important for our economy and society. Manufacturing creates jobs and stimulates economic growth, providing employment opportunities for millions of people. It fosters innovation, driving technological advancements and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The manufacturing industry contributes to a country's GDP, boosting its overall economic performance and prosperity. By producing tangible goods, manufacturing ensures the availability of essential products and services for consumers. A strong manufacturing sector enhances national security by reducing reliance on foreign countries for essential goods and supplies. Manufacturing plays a vital role in trade, enabling countries to export goods and improve their balance of payments. Investing in the manufacturing industry helps to develop and maintain a skilled workforce, driving economic development and social mobility. The manufacturing sector often serves as the backbone of a country's industrial infrastructure, supporting other industries and sectors. In addition to economic benefits, manufacturing also has positive environmental implications, promoting sustainable practices and reducing carbon emissions. Overall, the manufacturing industry is a crucial pillar of our economy, driving growth, innovation, and societal progress.